Hey bosses, in this video we'll show you how to use what the difference is between light pages and full pages. So for every page that you create, appointments, products, and services, I'll just click on products and services to show you. You see that you have a light version and a full version. You could copy the link over here, or you could just open up the light version or the full version by clicking on this. So we're going to do that now. Let's click on the full version first. The full version will show you the entire page that is built specifically for this product or service. So you have all the info, you have the testimonials, you have the FAQs, the map, etc. And it's sort of a full page experience. But a lot of times, if you're working with an existing client, and let's go to appointments to show you how that works. Let's say you have an existing client and you just want to do a 30-minute call. So let's look at the light version of that. And you can see this is the light version. Pretty much takes out everything, just focuses on what's important. Who the person is, your meetings, you know how much the duration of your meetings, and of course the calendar. And that pretty much it strips out everything else, so it's focused specifically on just the calendar booking. And that's the main difference between light pages and full pages.